Hello, this is the Morning Gardener, and these are plants at a box store. A lot different than the ones I showed you maybe a week or week and a half ago. I'm looking at this, everything from what are these, tomatoes? I should know I grow them. And these here, basil, big huge leaves. I smell nothing in this section but basil. And then you're over here. I think this is growing in my yard for me growing seeds a couple of years ago. It just keeps coming back. Let's see what we got here, what that smells like. Okay, basil. And you got thyme and oregano and mint. But look at the condition of the plants. Beautiful, beautiful, healthy plants. Peppers. This is how plants are supposed to look in a nursery. They're supposed to look like this. So, the other store, something is going on there. All right, and that should do it. This is the Morning Gardener.